Okay, boys, it's a little windy outside. I don't have a mic for this phone yet because it's USB-C, but we did get another car. It's pretty sick. It's pretty crazy how we got it. And as you saw on the thumbnail, though, Honda Pilot. And honestly, I think it's pretty sick that we're getting older cars. They're more reliable. This Honda Pilot is the year of, like, the year I was born, so 2007. And the truck is the year my brother was born, 2009. So we literally have like 2 years of like my birthday and like his birthday. Is pretty fire. So yeah, we literally got this a couple hours ago. It is like 2 o'clock. We got it, like, we went to tag agency to sign it over. Like, I don't know, 10 o'clock or so, 10:30. I think we got home at like 11. So yeah, here it is. Here it is. It's pretty nice. It is a premium package, so it has all the fancy little doodads. And as you can see, we do got a sunroof. I haven't had sunroof in so long since our RX-8 we had. I loved the Mazda RX-8. And he put a Kenwood sound system in here and some subs, which absolutely kick so hard. So the key battery is actually dead, so I took it out. I'm gonna go get some more. But so I have to like unlock it with the keyhole like the olden days, and then just unlock it like that. And I'll show you the back seat real quick. It is 3 rows, which is pretty crazy. I honestly like the doors a lot. It's pretty sick. I will clean it and detail it here soon though. So this back seat, 3rd row, pretty crazy. So this is the premium package for this year, because before it had cloth seats and it didn't have I don't think it had power windows, honestly. So the premium gives you the leather. I'm pretty sure it also gives you the sunroof. The dash is beautiful. I love it, dude. Engine's great. I haven't driven it yet, honestly, because we don't have the tag isn't registered because this is the old tag that the other guy had. One of our friends gave it to us. Pretty fire. Pretty heater. Dude, I really like it. And because they're both silver, dude. Like, we have a silverish gray. Little Twinkies, you know? We'll pop the hood to let you all see the beautiful Honda engine. Dude, Hondas make great engines, I'm telling you. I'll get to the mileage at some point. Voila. I'll have to detail that. But the mileage, holy crap, I forgot how hot leather seats are whenever it's hot outside. Literally roasting my legs off. So, there's a key in here if I can find it. Dude, it sounds so fancy. As you can see, 215, 106. I'll turn the AC down. So fire, dude. So fire. But yeah, the sound system, AC. I think it's great how the shifter is like a truck. That'll be really helpful for me because I drive the truck literally all the time. So if I ever do drive the Pilot much, it'll literally feel like the truck. It's just smaller, and it's a Honda. It's not American. So yeah, I'll give you a startup, and I'll also show you the sunroof. Okay, so that is the startup. I'll show you the sunroof now. So as you can see, pull it back. I'll switch over here by the door, and you just crank that thing. So it opens fully like that. Opens fully back. Close it with the stop button. And then if you use this button in the middle, it'll raise it up so where you just have that little pocket right there. let some heat out. And if you don't close it, you just go back to the top button. And it is closed. Dude, I love sunroofs. I haven't had a sunroof in like forever. Like I said, that's since our RX-8. Yeah, so that's the dash for like with it lit up and started. Has the door sensor, of course. Of course. Close this, so you can see how well it mutes the sound. Boom. Pretty nice. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Let me know what you think about the Honda Pilot. Let me know what you think about the truck, and let me know if you think this is a good duo. I think it's honestly a sick duo. Before we do in the video though, before you click off, I'm going to include a clip of me recording with my phone connected to the stereo and just blasting some music. Dude, the bass hits. The bass hits hard, dude. It's so sick. It sounds really good. I absolutely love the sound system. The sound system's probably my favorite part in this car. Other than it being a Honda, pretty sick. The sound system is crazy, dude. I'm just gonna say. And if I do go drive it around in the neighborhood, since it doesn't have like a tag that's registered to us yet, I'm just gonna do it in like the neighborhood and not on the actual road. But if I do that, then that'll also be after the stereo video. But if I don't, then hope you guys enjoyed and watch the sound clip of me blasting the radio.
That was a bar, just spin. If you feeling offended, ignore it. Yeah. Lower it. Look, I wear the socks with the chacos. I'm going back because I dress like a pop.
There you go.
The lady went inside was like, I don't know what they're doing. Hold on, your nanny wants pictures.
I got her.
931-615. Alright. Really, I came from the sticks. Yeah. All I've been making is hits. I put the tape on the disc. Yeah. I ride this beat into orbit. I feel like all of these rappers my kids.